The most fundamental strength of the Indian nation is that we are a land of seekers, seekers of truth and seekers of liberation. We are not a land of believers. We are a godless nation. Always, always and always, through millennia, we have been told, your life is your karma, that means your life is your making. This is the fundamental strength, and we have to bring this back, that we are a land of seekers. We don't believe in something that's been told to us. We want to seek and know it by our own experience. It doesn't matter, Krishna said it, Rama said it, Shiva said it, Buddha said it, doesn't matter. Still you have to seek. We have, with all due respect, all of them, we still want to know it by our experience. The moment we give it up, we won't know why, we will not know why we're Indians, and we will not want to be Indians. Right now, because in a very drastic way, this seeking has come down in the country. Because of that, today if the Western nations open up their visa procedures, 80% of the Indians will swim across the oceans and go away. Or in other words, you're holding over 800 million people within the borders of your nation forcefully. Well, that's a prison, that's not a nation. If you want to make a nation out of this, it's important we get the fundamental ethos that we are a land of seekers. If this seeking is not deepened, if there is no spiritual process in us, there is no reason why we should be together, because we look different, we eat different, we dress different, we speak different languages. There is no reason for us to be together. It is only this fundamental spiritual thread which has loosely tied us together as a nation. The moment we hack it down, it will die. It will be… the very sovereignty of this nation will be untenable the moment you hack the thread off. So it is in the hands of young people like you to strengthen that within yourself and in everybody around you, and 20% of your wardrobe must turn Indian. Thank you very much.